Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Seeing the add water message on your Frigidaire ice maker, even after filling the tank, can be confusing because everything looks ready, yet the machine refuses to start. Instead of a true water shortage, this message is usually triggered when the unit fails to detect water correctly. Inside the system, sensors and intake channels work together to confirm water flow, and if that communication is interrupted, the machine assumes the tank is empty. Small issues like improper tank placement, minor buildup, or trapped air can break that detection cycle. The great part is that this situation is often quick to fix once you go through the right checks in order. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the add water message and get your ice maker running normally again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the ice maker and unplug it to reset the internal system. Step 2. Remove the water reservoir and refill it evenly with clean water. Step 3. Reinstall the tank carefully so it sits fully aligned in place. Step 4. Slightly tilt or tap the unit to release trapped air inside. Step 5. Clean the water intake opening and sensor area gently. Step 6. Power the unit back on and check if the message disappears.